Can we start?
Wait, you want to go? Wait, that auntie is calling you. Wait, auntie. Ali, come here, I'll show you. Come.
So,
Hey. One second.
so
Listen.
how many lines are there?
7.
7. So these are 7 commitments. So girl, she said, I want 7 commitments from you. So in Hindu mythology, the wife, she always sits on the left side. Okay? So she is known as a Vamangani. Vam, left Angani part. So she is your left part of your body. So why left part, not right part? Why?
Left is where the heart is.
Heart is on left side.
नहीं शादी हुई है because your left side, your heart is on left side, so she is close to your heart, so that's why we always say Vamangini, but still she is sitting on your right side. So what she's saying that I have 7 I need 7 promises from you so that we can live happy married life, right? So after every vow we have to cross it, erase it
With the flower.
with the flower. With the flower.
So asking how to do it.
So what girl is saying that my parents, they did your puja in front of the Agni, in front of the god and goddesses, in front of the Brahmin and my relatives. But and we take 7 feras, 7 circles of Agni, but still I'm sitting on your right side. So the wife is always sits on the left side. So I have 7. I need 7 promises. What they are? तीर्थव्रतोद्यापनं यज्ञकर्ममयासहि प्रियावयं कार्यामामाङ्गनि तदया प्रवीतं कन्या प्रथमं कुमारी. What the girl is saying in the first vow, the bride tells the groom that after marriage, if you go to any religious or keep any fast, I want to do so, then take me along with you or allow me to do so. If you accept it, then I accept to come to on the other side. So sometimes what happens, the girl comes from religious family. They do all the pujas and vrat and udyapan and charity and donation. And sometimes the boy said they don't believe in that and or they don't do that. I think it is not in your family. You are more religious. What I heard about that. So try to help me. Try to come with me. Try to be a part of that event. Or if it is not possible for you, don't say no to me. Right? So this is your first. Are you agree with it?
Yeah, I agree. Should I just... How do I
Yes,
erase?
you have to erase it. You have to remove it. That's it. And the second vow. Pujo yata sopitro hamapi tade bhaktyo nijakarma kuryat vamangene dadadiyam pravnitam kanya vachanam datiyakam. In the second vow, the bride says, just like you respect your parents, you will respect my parents in the same way. My parents have worshipped you as a Lord Vishnu in this very mandap. So they are also equally to your parents. You will also follow the dignity of my family. If you agree with me, then I am ready to live with you and come on your website. Agree? Your Honor. Jeevanam navastratri mama palaniyam kuryat vamangane datadiyam tadiyam bravit kanya vachanam tatiyakam. In the third vow, the bride says, promise me that you will stand me in 2 main stages of life. Every person has 3 stages in their life: childhood, youth, old age. I have spent my childhood and early youth in my parents' home, and will spend the rest of my youth and old age with you. You will have to support me in the both. If you agree with me, then I am ready to live in.
Yeah, I do. I do.
I do. I agree.
I agree.
कुटुंब पालनं सर्वाकर्यः प्रतिज्ञा यदि कार्यात् कुर्याः वामाङ्गनिर्वाद विशेष कन्या पत्नीं चतुर्थकम्. The fourth vow, the bride says, till now we were free from the worries of the family. Now that you are going to be married, you will be responsible for all the needs. There are 6 seasons in India. You will have to nurture me according to all these seasons. If you accept then I can come on your left side. So it means, so what you like in summers, eat.
What do I like to eat?
No, in summer.
In summers,
Oh, eat. Yes. वो बैठा है ना यहाँ summers. Yes.
in winters,
In winters
क्या
मतलब
खाना पसंद है सर्दियों में, गर्मियों में?
अरे वो मैं नहीं बोल सकती अभी.
चलो आइसक्रीम होगा, गोलगप्पे, गुलाब जामुन, राजमा. So I mean to say that we have to take care of their
Yes.
all the interesting things.
वो जो पसंद है खिलाता है. ऐसी
अरे
बात नहीं.
बना के खिलाना पड़ेगा.
हाँ,
बना के.
इसमें अटक गया यार.
वो होता रहेगा, कोई बात नहीं, आराम से निकल जाए. कुटुम्ब संपालनीं कार्यत्वं प्रतिज्ञात् यदि कार्यः वामाङ्गे तद्जीवनवचनं कन्या वचन चतुर्थकम्. And the fifth law, the bride says, if you are planning to buy or sell anything, you must take my opinion too. Because it is possible, that my way of understanding may be different and we may get some benefit from it. Also,
I'm
tell
a
me,
qualified chartered accountant, so I think that's a good one.
Yes.
You're safe.
Spending money out of control.
also, you have to tell me how much you are earning, from where you are earning. I should know all these things so that I need money in your absence. I know where to go. You know what?
Yes.
Why?
Yes.
Before, there was no banks and no places where we can keep the money.
Yeah.
So people, they used to keep money at their houses. So she just wanted to say that if anybody comes to me to get their money, like if somebody borrows some money, if you borrow some money from any person and she wants this money back, I should know where you keep your money in the house. So I should know all the things whenever I need, or is there any urgent thing where we need to spend the money, so I should know. So if I'm talking about the present scenario, so I should know all the ATM pins and everything. So I can, we can enjoy more and more and more.
All the investments.
Accept it? So nice of you.
He's
Thank you.
accepted it.
I know it's just a formality, but we have to do this.
हाँ जी, हाँ जी.
मम निपनं सविदं सखीनां धृतं न कृत्यः भाग्ये वामाङ्गिमितवतुल्यं वचनं कन्या वचनं च षष्ठकम्. In the sixth vow, the bride says, if I am spending some time with my family members, brothers and relatives, and at that time, unknowingly or knowingly, I committed a mistake, then you will not insult me in front of everyone. Take me to a separate room or explain me later at the home, so that our family and your respect is not vanished. If you agree with that, then I can come to your left hand. Sometimes happens, mistakenly somebody says something, and with the anger, people, they start shouting. So you have to control. If I did, if anything mistaken, so go to the separate room or tell me later, so that we can maintain our
Respect.
yes. So this is the last one. Paraspriyam patrasmam samikshan sneham tara chenyan kantah kurya bhamangiya tatyam purvet vachanam kanyam saptikam. And the seventh vow, the bride says that from today onwards, you will treat other women like mother and sister. You never allow
Yes.
any third person to come between the love of husband and wife, because from today onwards, I am going to leave my parents' house and becoming a part of your family. So the responsibility of my honor and respect will be yours. If you agree with that, I can come to on your left hand. So this is 50% marriage done. So now the boy says that I have accepted all the words, but I also have some requests from you. If you accept, then by becoming a wife, both will be able to spend our future married life happily and lovingly. What are they? उद्याने मदपाने परग्रहे गमने तदा परतुं स्मृति गीतं हासते वर्धित्वा सदा अंतर्गेहि सुवैलित्यं सुख दुःखाग्नि भोगनि यदा तिष्ठीभद्रे तवपालिनीं सदा मम सोम पाने च पितृक्रमणे तथा मदाज्ञां लग्यते हेतुं न गच्छामि सुन्दरी सदैव सेवां कुरु मे गुरूणां मदीयं च भूयात् पतिव्रतं धर्मपारायणं च गृहस्थकार्यं सकलं कुरुष्व. So what he is requesting you, you should not go alone to a garden, a place where alcohol is consumed. Do not laugh. Do not laugh without reason. If you go anywhere, like your parents' house, friend's house, or anywhere else, then inform me or someone before going to, that we do not worry about you. Support me in the both happy and sad time, sad situation. From today, my mother and father, like your parents, it is your duty to serve them and obey their orders in the respective way.
Respect, yes.
Follow the religion of a faithful wife, whatever is there in my house, right? You know, sometimes what happens, people are earning 10 rupees and the wife is asking for more and more and more. No. Because the girl is a Lakshmi. And what does it mean? So you have to manage all the things within the limit, right? So what he's saying, whatever is in our house or how much I'm earning, that we have to maintain within that limit. If you keep accepting all these requests, then I can take you in my left direction.
I agree. Yes. Anji.
स्वीकार है?
स्वीकार है.
ठीक है.
स्वीकार है, स्वीकार
Please
है.
get up and अपने आप को
आगे से पीछे से.
हाँ ऐसे don't show your back. फेस की
Don't
तरफ
show
ऐसे.
हाँ?
शक्ल दिखाते हैं टाइगर ऐसे.
Sideways.
Oh, that's